Hey everyone, it's Sheri. Today I want to talk about an important aspect of home maintenance that many homeowners might overlook, and that is protecting your foundation from water and dirt accumulation. One common issue that can lead to serious problems is allowing water and dirt to build up near the foundation of your home. This can cause cracks, swelling of the soil, problems with the foundation, weaken the structure, and even lead to costly repairs. Swelling, or the expansion of soil when it absorbs water, is a major concern, especially if the soil around your foundation is clay heavy. When the soil swells, it can put significant pressure on your foundation, leading to cracks and structural issues. And it doesn't stop there. Pests like termites, ants, rodents, they love the damp, dirty environments, and the dirt piled up against your home creates a perfect habitat for those pests. A great way to prevent those issues is creating a proper barrier, like adding concrete, brick, or other materials to ensure that water flows away from the foundation. It is important to maintain a well-graded swale around your house. A swell is a shallow ditch or slope that directs the water away from your house. Check the grading around your home often to make sure that the swale is functioning properly. Over time, the soil can settle or landscaping changes could affect the slope, so it's important to ensure water continues to flow away from the foundation. Neglecting this simple maintenance can lead to erosion, foundation damage, pest infestations, and basement flooding. If you are unsure about the grading around your home, consider consulting a professional. Proper drainage is key to maintaining a strong and healthy foundation. Till next time, guys.